In this video, you'll learn how you can easily update YT Studio to the latest version in 2026. I'll show you about both iPhone and Android. Now, in case you're an iPhone user, you simply have to head over to the App Store and then you'll simply have to search for YouTube Studio like this. Now, if you're on an Android, in case you're an Android user, you'll simply have to head over to the Google Play Store and then search for YT Studio and then open it. And in both cases, if it shows an option of update, you can simply tap on update to update the app to the latest version. But in some cases, it might say open instead of update, and technically your app is already up to date, but you still don't have access to some of the latest features that you're looking for. So in that cases, you'll have to go back and open the settings of your iPhone. In case you're on an Android, you will simply have to head over to the settings, apps, and then look for YT Studio, then clear cache of the app, and then go back to the Google Play Store and reinstall it after uninstalling it. And in case you're on an iPhone, you'll simply have to go to General, then go to iPhone Storage. Now look for YT Studio right here. Tap on it to open it, and then simply tap on offload app. Basically, it will not delete any of your personal data or files. It will just delete the cache files that may be responsible for the update issues that you're facing. So simply tap on offload app and it will show you an option to reinstall it. And basically what that option will do is that it will force update the app to the latest version, and you'll be able to get access to all the latest features that you're looking for. If this video helped you out, hit that subscribe button below. It really supports the channel. Like the video and comment down below if you got stuck anywhere. I'll definitely help you out.